Is the remote control the black one over there somewhere? Like under my legs or something?
Really? He might not be your blood babe, but he sure does know how to snort just like Grandpa.